All right, so this right here, you can test whether your circuit is correct on this, whether the neutral and the positive are on the right terminals, and whether it's got an open ground on it. Now, for you to see that this thing's working correctly, you want to see the two sides, this lit up and this lit up. So we can go ahead and plug it in there and see if this thing has been installed correctly. So let's go ahead and shove it in. And if you see right here, yeah, it looks good, right? Let's pull it out. Let's just put it in the bottom one. It's going to be the same. But now what I want to do is I want to test. If you look right here, I can test my GFCI. That's that thing there. So it's going to overload it and change the ampage. And you watch what happens. Bam. So this plug is working great. That's what that's telling me right now. So all I got to do is push this in and it resets it. And then I can go ahead and put my Alexa back in. Bam. So anyway, that's how this works. Now, if you plug it in and you get a green light here, this is lit up, that means you've got an open ground. If just this light lights up, you've got an open neutral. And then if nothing lights up, you got an open hot. And then if you've got a light here and a light here, you've got a hot and ground reversed. That's not good. And if you've got a light here and a light here, you've got a hot and neutral reverse, so you got to fix that. What you want to see is these two lit up, and you want to see that GFI pop out when you do this. And that's how this works, basically. Very simple. You can go around and test all of your outlets and make sure that they're working and that they're grounded. Now I'm just going around all of my outlets and just double checking them, making sure that they're correct. That one's good. And let's go in here and check this one out. So if this is grounded, this should be grounded because they're connected. You know what I mean? Bam, we're good there. Oh, wait a minute, I don't have all three lit up, do I? No, just the bottom two. Yeah, because there isn't an all three light up. Just got to double check that. All right, so we're looking good. Let's do one more. Let's go over here and check this one out. Just so you guys can see, bam. Yeah, so what happens is the light from this kind of reflects in there, but it's really just these two. All right, so that's how you use it. So you should check all your outlets, make sure they're all grounded. If they're not, you got to make sure you have GFI, or what is it? What do they call it? GFCI. Because that way you got a little circuit breaker on the outlet just in case.